provided one rule you follow, that is you pay the bills on time, right? So using a credit card responsibly can offer several advantages as long as you pay the full balance monthly. Yep. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Fin Talk with Anil, and we are on day 14th of 30 days, 30 financial topics. And for today's video, we are going to tell you why you should pay everything with a credit card. For our day 8, we have discussed how the credit card interests are calculated, what are the do's and don'ts of a credit card, etc. etc. I'm gonna add the link above. Please check that out. So with that, let's get started our day. So why you should pay everything with a credit card? To start with, uh, paying with credit card would earn you rewards and cashbacks and purchases. Nowadays, if you have noticed, like Myntra, Amazon, Flipkart, everywhere there is an additional discount of 5 to 10%, even 15 to 20% in sometimes, which kind of gives you a good uh, deal on the purchases, right? So paying for everyday items with a credit card can help you earn rewards that can be redeemed for discounts, gifts, cards, or even travel benefits, etc. So this effectively gives you a discount on your purchase if you use it wisely. Yeah. So it also helps you in tracking your spending expenses. The month-end credit card statement, which kind of summarizes or gives you a quick sneak peek into your list. Some of the credit card providers also give you insightful charts on how much you have spent on what items, etc. So which kind of gives you a good overview on your last month's spendings. Yeah, that is a good thing. Accordingly, you can adjust or control your spendings. Yeah. So, credit cards are a funny thing. First of all, they come with a free credit period of 40 days, and when you pay the bill, it is great. They will even help you uh, improve your credit score, which further in your life is going to help you if you want to get good deals on your home loan, car loan, or any of the loans, etc. Right? But the fun part here is while you delay your credit card bill payment, which you're already paying the fees or interest on the delays, which is kind of a revenue for the credit card providers. But in return, they are also reporting your default to the credit bureau, right? Which in turn is spoiling your score. So if you're giving them business, you're giving them money to spoil your own credit score, which I'm gonna tell you is going to definitely affect adversely in your future, right? If you don't take it very responsibly. So, a strong score can help you qualify for better investment rates and higher credit limits. Yeah. Enjoy purchase protection, extended warranties, etc. So many of us don't know, but you can see in the terms and conditions of the cards you might already have or you are intended to apply for. Many cards offer purchase protection, like if you have bought something, and it also comes with a 30-day, 90-day kind of an insurance inbuilt if something to happen or some fraudster to happen to you or something like that. Yeah. Uh, it also reimburse you for the items that are damaged or lost or stolen within a specific period. Again, terms and conditions apply according to your cards, right? Cards may also extend the warranty period on major purchases. Like if you're let us say buying an iPhone or something, if your card also provides this kind of a benefit, then why not your warranty period is extended on top of that? Yeah. Nowadays, everybody or every credit card kind of gives you, access to the airport lounges. Some even provide you the international airport lounges, etc. Some cards even comes with, travel benefits like a free hotel rooms or discounted hotel rooms, or even when you are booking a flight ticket or so, you get an additional discount provided you have the particular credit cards or co-branded credit cards, etc. Yeah, so these are all very common, but let me tell you about some of the credit cards which has a very interesting features like this one, this few which also gives you kind of an insurance on your purchases. Like you when you do active purchases on this credit card, it kind of comes with a insurance benefits on your life as well as a health, etc. Is it? So to start with, a HDFC Resilia card comes with a air death air accidental death, that is when you're flying and something to happen, then your family kind of gets a rupees 1 crore sum for the backup. Yeah, so accordingly, if you are having a Axis Bank credit card, which also kind of gives you an air accident cover and zero lost card liability, but when you lose the card and somebody tricks you or uses it for purchases, but you provided you reported it timely, you get that kind of wave off, right? So that brings us back to HDFC Bank, which kind of also offers you, critical illness and accident benefit, etc. And last but not least, Tata Neo Infinity HDFC Bank, which is kind of catching my attention lately, which kind of gives you about a 5 to 10% of discount on your daily grocery purchases. Also some accidental death coverages, etc. are included, so do check out them. These are my favorite. So to move on with the special benefits, not long ago or still, golf is something of a dream or a fantasy game for a lot of people, or only be afforded by people who are well to do, right? But then people like you or me often heard about the game and found how this is played and all, but then the wait is over. So these are the credit cards which kind of gives you the chance to check out this games, on a like HDFC Diners Bank. Black card kind of gives you 100% green fee waiver on the weekends or weekdays over 100 plus golf courses worldwide, right? So similarly, ICICI bank card also gives you unlimited access to golf, provided this cards also doesn't come free, but worth a check out, right? Axis Bank, Standard Bank, you can check them up on your apply page, terms and conditions. Yeah. Moving on, some of the top cards according to any of the articles I have read are as below. So if you are someone who's a salaried individual or a student or online purchases, or if you are someone who wants to travel a lot, you can pause this page and check out these cards for yourself, right? Now, this is a very interesting part. So it is very crucial that what is your plan to use the card. If you're someone who wants to use it for fuel recharge, then you should go out and buy some co-branding like ICICI fuel, etc., or HP branded or Indian branded. There are many co-branded cards out there which kind of gives you an advantage, maybe some kind of cashback or waiver of the surcharge, etc. But then, as I also mentioned in a previous slide, where the HDFC Neo credit card, which is a co-branding between the Tatas as well, the HDFC kind of gives you a 5% on your spendings, which kind of it's a great relief if you're someone who's using this card particularly, or if you're someone who's doing a lot of shopping for your family or groceries. Yeah. So it is very important how you plan to use the card, etc. And then not to mention annual percentage interest rates, etc. You have to keep in mind. Credit cards are the trick part I have explained you. So try not to pay the interest ever again at all. But then nobody knows what happens, right? God for say, you are not well or something to happen, or you're not in a position for that month to pay off or something, you then the rates are going to kick in, and be prepared for it well in advance. So let us check, better to check out those rate time to time, and be aware of it, right? Then comes credit limit. So if you're someone who is not planning on using credit cards a lot, or just want it for backup, or some or your second or third credit card, then this might not help you or significantly change anything. But then if you are someone who spends a lot, if you someone particularly, let us say you want to fill up the fuel a lot, then this credit limit can be very important. And in the earlier video from for day 8, we have also told you that you shouldn't be exceeding about 30% or more than your credit limits. So having a good credit limit is always important. So check out those kind of cards which gives you a good credit limit, right? So rewards ratio, that is something. So rewards, something I have explained. You get reward points on everything you have spent, but then some cards, that the conversion rate is what the interesting part is. So some cards kind of comes with 4 reward points are equal to 1 rupee, or some even come with 10 reward points equal to 1 rupee. And then it is also important for you to check out those rewards, because at one point you see your reward points have reached about 10,000 or 20,000 or so. But then when you want to monetize it, then you realize the ratio is not as great as what you expected. But then I'll tell you something interesting. I found the Tata Neo card, which is so though it sounds like promoting the Tata Neo card. Trust me, guys, this is not a paid promotion or something. But then I have saw the application says that each reward point equals to 1 rupee, right? So that those kind of terms are going to help you a bit. Now, moving on to fees and penalties, this is more or less like annual fees, or if you're going to miss a due date, what are the penalties you are going to pay? So have a look on them, because many cards nowadays comes with free of cost, many does have a annual membership, etc. So choose according to your usage, and pre-calculate those kind of advantages, whether you kind of get them or not, and no, in return, right? So some important rules, like I've been keep on saying that avoid interest charges by paying full each month. You avoid costly interest charges. Stay out of debt, guys. Don't be in a lot of debt. Always calculate your spendings, be it on credit card. Mind you, it is not free. You have to pay that back. So be prepared for it. Plan in advance, and it kind of also helps you in controlling your spending, because you at the end of the month you pay the bills, which kind of creates your disciplined spending within your means, right? So that is all for today. Do let me know what you think about the concept. What would you want to know next, etc. So I'll see you tomorrow with a new concept and a new challenge. Show me some love, hit that subscribe button, share it with your friends who wants to know this and all. See you all. Bye bye.